Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Airtable to ClickUp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer tasks from Airtable to ClickUp, start by opening your Airtable workspace. Navigate to the base that contains the tasks you want to transfer. Click on the view that displays your tasks clearly. Select the tasks you wish to export. You can select individual tasks by clicking on the checkbox next to each one. If you want to export all tasks, use the Select All option. Once your tasks are selected, click on the Download button. Choose the CSV format for your export. Your CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Next, open your ClickUp workspace in a new tab. Navigate to the space where you want to import the tasks. Click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Import from the drop-down menu. Choose CSV from the list of import options. Now, upload the CSV file that you downloaded from Airtable. ClickUp will prompt you to map the fields from your CSV file to ClickUp tasks. Match the appropriate Airtable fields to their corresponding ClickUp fields. Ensure all required fields are filled out correctly. Once everything is mapped, click on the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete. After the process is finished, you will see your tasks in ClickUp. Review the imported tasks to confirm that all information is accurately reflected. Make any necessary adjustments to the tasks within ClickUp. Finally, organize the tasks into lists, tags, or priorities as needed. You have successfully transferred tasks from Airtable to ClickUp. This method streamlines your workflow and enhances productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.